Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best Underdesk treadmill in 2025. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Urevo 3-in-1 Foldable Underdesk Treadmill. Depending on how your work area is set up, an adequately long walking pad may not fit no matter how hard you try. But what about your workout area? Instead of trying in vain to marry a separate desk and treadmill, you can put this treadmill with a removable desktop wherever you like. Much like the other multi-purpose treadmills on this list, you can change the max speed by raising the sidebar. And this model can get you up to a spicy 8.6 miles per hour, or just south of a 7-minute mile. This might not be the ideal treadmill for regular speed work because of its walking pad-sized platform, but having the option to get up to that pace is always nice. Number 7 in my list is Egofit Walker Pro Underdesk Treadmill. If you don't want your exercise equipment to take up too much space in your home, this Egofit treadmill could be the perfect addition to your WalkingP setup. At just 38 inches long and under 22 inches wide, it's among the most compact Underdesk treadmills on the market, and its 55-pound weight makes it easy enough for one person to move alone. Fair warning, you may find yourself slipping off the back of this treadmill if you have a long walking stride, but you'll likely take more careful steps as you type on your computer anyway. Just make sure to watch your feet as you're getting used to it. Number 6 in my list is GoYouth 2-in-1 Walking Underdesk Treadmill. When we first unpackaged this treadmill at our headquarters, we were relieved to see that it was already assembled. We simply needed to stick a battery in the remote and plug the machine into an outlet to get started. We tested this one right after spending half an hour deciphering another model's poorly written instructions, so it gets contextual bonus points for that. This GoYouth model weighs in at only 64 pounds, and the wheels underneath make it a breeze to move around. Despite being lightweight, it feels sturdy underfoot, and it can comfortably reach speeds up to 6 miles per hour, which makes it one of the faster models on our list. If you want to jam out to some music, you can also connect your phone to the treadmill speakers via Bluetooth. It doesn't provide an audiophile's dream sound quality, but it's still nice to see that included in a way that doesn't feel like it compromised any other facet of the build quality. Number 5 in my list is WalkingP C2 Underdesk Treadmill. The main selling point when it comes to WalkingP's range of Underdesk treadmills is the ability to, quite literally, fold the treadmill away when you're not using it. Yet compared to the WalkingP A1 Pro, it's slightly smaller and slightly lighter. Unlike the WalkingP P1, it has got a screen to show you all of your metrics on the move. The WalkingP C2 is pretty compact, yet don't let the size of the box fool you. The treadmill is heavy, and you'll probably need a hand when it comes to wiggling it out of its packaging and moving it to your home office. Once it's in situ, all you need to do is unfold it and plug it into the wall, and you're ready to walk. Compared to the WalkingP A1 Pro, the WalkingP C2 feels a little flimsier, hence the cheaper price. It's got a thinner plastic border between the edge of the belt and the edge of the treadmill, although the belt didn't feel too narrow when walking. During testing, like the other WalkingP treadmills, we found the app to be a little glitchy, and the automatic mode to be extremely difficult to grasp. It's a decent option for anyone short on space, but there are cheaper models on the market if you're not bothered about it folding. Number 4 in my list is Goplus UnderDesk Treadmill. The Goplus HP walking treadmill is the most affordable Underdesk treadmill we've tested, but you wouldn't guess that from its performance, which matches far more expensive machines. It's great for anyone looking to push themselves a little harder when walking, as there are 12 built-in programs. These programs automatically change the speed of the treadmill as you walk over 30 minutes, pushing you to pick up the pace as you work. The treadmill also comes ready assembled, and located at the front of the treadmill is an easy-to-read LED touchscreen that displays time, speed, distance, and calories burned when using the tread. This LED touchscreen also allows you to operate the treadmill if you don't have the remote control to hand. The downside here is that both the treadmill and the belt are pretty noisy. We found during testing that the belt was one of the loudest and that the treadmill emitted a loud beep every time it turned on or changed speed. We couldn't find a way to turn this beep down. If you're working alone, this might not bother you too much. But if you're planning on walking in an apartment block or while other people are sleeping, you might want to look at some of the other options on this list. Number 3 in my list is WalkingPad A1 Pro UnderDesk Treadmill. The WalkingPad A1 Pro has a foldable design, so you can easily store it away between uses, making it a great option if you're tight on space or need it out of sight when not in use. But that's not all it has going for it, as the higher maximum weight limit, 300 IBS, means it's also the best underdesk treadmill for heavy users. The machine is fast to set up, has a remote control, and a screen on the front for workout metrics like distance walked, time, and speed. There are 2 modes, manual and automatic. In manual mode, you change the speed using the remote or KSFit app on your smartphone. In automatic mode, the belt speeds up or slows down depending on where you position yourself. Walk closer to the front, it speeds up. Walk closer to the back, it slows down. Whichever mode you use, the treadmill is fairly quiet too. During testing, we found the sound of the plastic end of our shoelaces smacking the belt during a walk was louder than the belt and motor in operation. While we'd still recommend headphones if you plan to walk while you're on a call, the WalkingPad won't disturb people in other rooms of the house. Overall, this is a great option, although during testing we did find that the KSFit app was a little glitchy, which was irritating. If you're not all that bothered about recording your work walks, however, don't let this put you off. Number 2 in my list is WalkingPad P1 Folding UnderDesk Treadmill. WalkingPad makes several great underdesk treadmills, but the P1 is the most budget-friendly option in its range. It doesn't have a display for your workout metrics, and the motor is a little less powerful than others in the lineup, but it's a great option for the price. It can be folded in half for easy storage, but since it has a fairly short power cord, 6 feet, you'll need to position it somewhere near an electrical outlet. And despite the lack of a built-in display, you can adjust the settings with the remote, which has a small screen. In theory, the motor is a little louder than on other WalkingPad models, but we couldn't notice the difference, and it's not noisy enough to disturb others. The companion smartphone app was a little buggy, although an update appeared to resolve most of our issues during testing. Number 1 in my list is Bluefin Fitness Task 2.0 2-in-1 Folding UnderDesk Treadmill. The Bluefin Fitness Task 2.0 UnderDesk Treadmill is affordable, easy to install, and has a small handlebar for when you pick up the speed. It has a top speed of 5 meters per hour, making it one of the fastest underdesk treadmills we've tested, so it's ideal if you're into brisk indoor walks. We found it was pretty easy to use. There's an LCD screen at the top of the treadmill that shows you your pace, calories, distance walked, and time. Plus, you can connect the treadmill to the KinoMap app on your phone via Bluetooth. The treadmill can be controlled by its remote, which comes on a wristband that you can wear as you walk, or by the phone app. There are also 6 preset programs you can choose to follow, but we found these a little confusing and all very similar. The downside with this treadmill is the smaller belt, which might not be suitable for taller users. Our tester was 5'2" and found that when she wasn't concentrating on walking, she tripped on the side panels once or twice, so taller users might need to look elsewhere. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.